Hello my dear friends, here is the real story of MrBeast, a famous YouTuber, when he visited Egyptian pyramids in Egypt recently. Let us see what he saw there. He started telling the story of pyramids. He said, "Restricted access to all of the great pyramids of Egypt. No, this is the coolest thing I've ever seen. We'll be going into the tombs of ancient pharaohs, places that are literally illegal to enter because they're incredibly dangerous. What if we fall? Oh yeah, you'll definitely die. We'll even be swimming to a secret underground tomb beneath the pyramids. Oh my god, we've only been granted 100 hours to explore. And we're gonna start right now. Follow me, boys. It's about to be fun. This is so beautiful. Someone 4,500 years ago put this rock right here, correct? This pyramid dates back to about 4,500 years old. The passageway wherein leads to what Egyptologists say is King Khufu's tomb, the pharaoh who may have ordered the pyramids to be built. This room is called the Grand Gallery. What percentage of this pyramid do you think we've seen? So far, we might never know the answer to that question." That's the coolest way he could have answered that this next room was the king's final resting spot, as far as we believe. Yeah, let's do it. Holy crap, boys. What is this? 4,600 years ago, this chamber may have contained the king's mummified body. This is where the pharaoh was buried. This is what we believe is the final resting place. Believe. How do we not know? I think somewhere inside this pyramid, there's another chamber that we have not found yet that might have the body of the king. You know what? In this video, we're going to find it because we will literally be exploring from hundreds of feet below the pyramids up to the highest point in the largest ancient pyramid on Earth. That was awesome. Before we go explore the other giant pyramids, I want to show you guys base camp. Yeah, this is nice. We got a dinner table, some tents to sleep in. And okay, we even brought lights so you can see the pyramids from camp. That's got to be the most expensive night light that's ever existed. This is the pyramid we're going to explore tomorrow. I want to start at 5 a.m. Everyone get some sleep. These pyramids were so technologically advanced for their time that some credit them to a pre-Egyptian civilization, while some point to even crazier theories like aliens, but Egyptologists are sure that they were built by the first Egyptians as tombs for their kings. And by the end of this video, we're going to find out which of these theories is true. All right, boys, I hope you're ready to explore the next pyramid on our list, the Pyramid of Khafre. What is special about this monstrosity? Well, this pyramid is how we learned how the casing of each pyramid looked like. This is how they all looked like at some point. That was right after the aliens built them. No aliens. Rami led us nearly 100 feet below the Earth's surface deep into Khafre's pyramid. This is a place where hardly anyone in the modern world has ever been, so to be honest, we had no idea what to expect going down here. The ancient Egyptians had cardboard. We believed that this was the burial chamber for King Khafre for the longest time, and now they're using it to store stuff while they're restoring the pyramid. Jimmy, they gotta use tools, so that means there's a real burial chamber. Yes, Rami actually took us to the real resting place thought to have once held the body of King Khafre. I see a big ceiling. Dude, we're deep in this pyramid here. We are the final burial chamber of King Khafre. No, this is the coolest thing I've ever seen. What the heck, bro? What is this? Wait, look at the date, the graffiti. Right there is the guy who discovered this tomb. He claims he discovered this tomb. Yes, this is where the pharaoh was buried. This is the final resting place for King Khafre. Is it disrespectful to lay in there? I wouldn't worry about the disrespect so much as the curse. What does the curse do to you? Do you want to try? No, all right, let's get out of here before we get cursed. Oh my gosh, that pyramid is insane. The king's tomb didn't really answer many of our questions. However, the portal to the underworld deep beneath the pyramids could have everything we were looking for. This is the tomb of God Osiris, where very few, oh my gosh, humans have ever been. What are we doing? As you can imagine, the god of the underworld's tomb is pretty deep underground. Oh heck no, it really just goes all the way down there after you, Carl. Oh my gosh, why is he walking down so nonchalant? This is the entrance, Carl. Yeah, to the god on the underworld. This is a tall ladder. It's actually really deep, like if you fall, oh yeah, you'll definitely die. Yeah, this is getting pretty scary. I don't like this anymore. And if we weren't already scared enough, we then came across this 3,000-year-old human. Oh my god. Why am I still holding this? Dude, is this a part of a skull? This is a skull. Yeah, oh my god, when we go down there, we will be so far underground that there's a chance we pass out due to a lack of oxygen. Correct. Chandler is heading to Osiris resting place. All right, here we go. Oh, I'm in the water. You can tell the air's pretty thin down here. Wait, what is this? Oh, there's a rock right here. Is this a rock or lid? Right in the center of the room is the sarcophagus of god Osiris. Right here is supposedly the gateway to the underworld. Yeah, so try to get into the underworld. Well, yeah, screw it. This was the first part of the story of MrBeast while visiting the Egyptian pyramids. We will come back shortly with the next parts of his interesting story. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, like and share it. Thanks for watching.